Thank you.
Traffic! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Alright!
Hey, what is up YouTube? This is John Brown again here in the Queen City of South Cebu. So for today, we'll be heading to Transcentral Highway for a quick breakfast ride with the gang. Yeah, the Click Owners Club Cebu chapter. And yes, I am late. Yeah, the write-off was set at 7 a.m. but since nobody worked until 8, so apas na. It's a cold, gloomy Saturday morning, so yeah, hopefully dili mo ulan.
Oh no!
And yeah, shout out to those brave souls nga bago na nahugas sa mga motor. Good luck to you guys. The last time I was here, that was like a month ago when I did some racing with a big bike.
Wow!
So I kind of missed this road already. And since I am late with our group ride and can't show you any footage of it, I'll just talk more about the video I uploaded last week where I gave you my thoughts about the Manipiz Road and tried to compare it here with TCH. Now, if you haven't watched it yet, you may want to check it out first, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell to get updated on my next uploads.
Bomba! Dugaya nila!
So yeah, I think this will be a good time for me to show you guys what it's like here in TCH on a weekend. Though we need to consider the weather condition. So since medyo bati ang weather and we might be experiencing rain later,
Oh no!
this might not be a very perfect visual representation of what it's really like here on a usual weekend. But you get the idea.
Atas long! Fuck you!
Now this is what I'm talking about. The road is so good, the twists and turns for your cornering and banking, and the long stretches to test your top speeds and flybys. At the same time though, this is what makes it very dangerous. Yes, Manipiz Road could be geographically more dangerous, but here, it's a different story. Last week, there were 10 accidents happening.
Oh no!
That's what I heard. Yes, 10 accidents in just one day. And somebody died last week. You know, you don't get to hear this kind of news in Manipiz Road. That's a difference. But of course, let's not have all these negativities take over, and I am not in any way discouraging you guys to come here. I mean, who doesn't want to be here? Who doesn't want to experience Transcentral Highway? You know, despite its challenges and downsides, TCH still has a lot to offer. Not just to us motorcyclists, but to everyone in general. You know, if there's anything, I am encouraging everyone to be a responsible and defensive rider. At the end of the day, nothing's more fun than riding back home without a scratch and a broken leg.
Woo-hoo! Alright. So, Backing na ta. Woo! Shout out! Kapoy sa. Lami ay badas-badas ay. Good morning! Sakalay ka?
Alright. Hi. Good morning. I'm sorry I'm late. Yes, press.
Thank you.
Maglablab ba mo? Maglablab ba mo? Magbalik na! Nico! Magbalik! Nico! Magbalik!
Morning, good job. you already know what's
Look who's in the house. Hi.
So, we're done here. Going home and it's about to rain now. So yeah, let's go. Nakahurot na to, upat ka batilyang kabayo. Okay, uwan na yun. Kasing uwan ba? Alright, so raincoat